Getting ready to install for tomorrow. So just packing and loading everything, getting the gate tied on the trailer, getting all that stuff ready to go because it's install day tomorrow. It'll be interesting because I've never installed a double gate, and I can only we'll see. It's going to be interesting. I hope that everything is uneventful and mellow and easy breezy. So that's my goal. Okay, talk to you guys later. It's morning of install for the gates, and I just had a little critter come by and send so much blessings and love, and it's so amazing to have a ladybug come so early in the morning. It shouldn't even be flying yet. So early in the morning and send all the luck and love for the install. Gonna be a good day. So the owners of this piece haven't seen it at all, nothing. So it's going to be a total surprise for them. So I hope they like it, and I do. I think it's beautiful. So, good stuff. Hey, we're on the job site and we're already started, and I forgot to video the first part. Oh well, that's how it goes, but it's happening and it's going on. And David is drilling into his own house because that's much more fun for me. Doing the very, very last bits of this, which is painting the shiny bolts, because we don't want those glaring out at all. But install went super good. Everybody did a great job, and yeah, ready to roll. All set. Hey, what do you guys think of the gate?
Yay! Awesome. Love it.